Oh my goodness, what a delicious food. Mamma mia. Man, so succulent. Damn. So there's a saying that says that life is too short to be eating boring food, and no one can think well, laugh well, sleep well if that person is not dining well. That's why I'm bringing you the finest traditional organic food we have in Africa, especially Ghana. A very delicious food. This is called fufu with palm nut soup. So fufu is a starchy dough food made from boiled cassava or plantain. It can also be yam or cocoyam or a combination of the two. We use it as a staple food in some parts of West Africa and Central Africa. And also the palm nut soup, we use the palm nut fruit to prepare this recipe. A delicious food I recommend to you that anytime you visit Africa, try this recipe. So I'm in Winneba in the central region of Ghana, and as usual I went to the local market to get our fresh ingredients for this recipe. So basic ingredients like smoked fish, okay, you can also add meat to it if you are a meat lover. We have pepper, onion, tomatoes, garlic, cassava itself, and the plantain for the fufu. Man, basic stuff that you need. Hey, agree, Kada. Don't know, agree.
Hello. I'm probably going
So this is the palm kernel, and this is where we get the red oil from. So the skin is soft, you get the palm kernel, and with this you can really have two oil. We have the red oil and I do go the palm kernel oil as well. Yeah, so stay connected. More things coming out going. Right now I'm preparing palm nut soup. Yeah, palm nut soup. Yeah. Yes, so before those ready-made nkunenu and all those stuff came, this is how we used to prepare our palm nut soup. You have to pound this palm and okay, so now she's adding the remaining water to the ready-made or to the ready pounded palm nuts. Okay, yeah, so it's like boiling kontomire or spinach soup leaves and using the remaining water to do your stew or something. Yeah, so it's the same thing over here. Yeah, this soup. So after pounding, everything goes inside the pan and you add water to it. Both cold and warm water. It shouldn't be too hot and should be too cold. Okay, so mixed temperature kind of water. And we mix everything together, make sure that we have the food, because that's what we'll be needing to prepare the soup. Making sure that we have everything out, because the chaff of the palm nuts should be transparent. So you have to sieve this soup like 2-3 times to have the finest or the smooth liquid, right? Because we don't want all the excess to be inside the soup. So have you seen the palm kernel? Yeah. night. In the night. I said, okay. So this is the second time that we are pounding the skin. So we first did and received it. We mixed it water, received. That's what we've poured over there. And I did the second time that we are pounding it to have again a different water. Yeah. So we're about to blend our turkey berries and the pepper. Okay, so pepper, you see them to be many because it's not that hot. It's just those normal pepper that it's not spicy. Yeah, it's not spicy. So we're done with the pounding of the second one. It doesn't take much time, unlike the first process. Yeah. So now hot water. Okay. They just pour it somewhere. Yeah, just to dry it. We also have the second phase of the water, which will go inside the soup again. Yeah. So now you see it's transparent. Like there's no food in it or no juice. Yeah, there's no palm juice in it. Everything is transparent now. So this you can dry it, and when you want to light up your charcoal, you use this to light your charcoal. So this natural way of preparing soup is been there for ages and centuries, and yeah, the steps and the procedure has never changed because our forefathers used to do the same thing, and they say tradition goes on, keep soap bar. Powder soup is food to the brim. You cook a pair, yeah, episode, okay. Since the soup is many, we have to take a bit out so that it prevents it from going inside the fire. The reason being is when you put everything inside, it will mix with the basement, the seasoning that was used to prepare the basement, so that the first phase doesn't have all the taste. So you put everything inside, you mix, then you take some out. So we got this contemporary from the backyard. Anyway, backyard farming. Yeah, to go inside the soup, the later part. The soup has started boiling, and we need to add, to make things easier, I need to add a bit of the soup to the blended pepper and turkey berries, so that it will be mixed and turn to a paste. So we are mixing the rest of the remaining blended pepper and the turkey berries into the remaining soup, which is not on fire. Okay, so they equally share the same taste and ingredients. Yeah. So this is our tuna opoku. It's now time to blend the tomatoes. So we're taking out the tomatoes from the soup, and yeah. So now you see it's reducing. So we need to bring back the one that was kept aside. Bring them back to the main chamber. Yeah. So we are now adding our salted fish and the cow skin and apofe. Apofe, I don't know the name, so don't ask me the English name of apofe. I don't know. So this is apofe. Show. Cacao. Okay, yeah. Okay. So as you see, the oil has started developing. So now all those things have been added to it. So the quantity has changed. It's now full again. So we're taking some off, and yeah, because if not, as soon as it starts to boil, everything will go into the fire, which is not advisable. Yeah. Okay. So our soup is going with fufu, and yeah, we have our cassava. This is the cassava. The cassava is drunk. So this is our palm soup. So at this point, the fufu and the soup is ready, but the soup has developed a lot of oil on the surface, so we have to scoop some off so that we'll be able to drink our perfect soup, not oil. And the oil that you scoop off, you can also use it to prepare other recipes that you want. It can be stew or any other thing. It's healthy as well, okay, because palm nut oil is a good oil. And as you can see, only boiling generated this oil, okay, so it's normal. Yeah, so we dish out our amazing recipe, and man, the taste was so delicious. Amazing recipe, man. It has its own unique taste. Yeah, so our fufu is ready, and hey, the test is that brobodo. Wow. I'm killing them. Yeah, so there be a justice. But the justice, you know, and after eating this food, man, you feel heavy, okay? So this food is mostly eaten in the afternoon, from 12 noon up to 3 o'clock p.m. because you really feel heavy after eating this food. And man, it is what it is. Yes, I hope you enjoyed the video. If today is the first time watching, kindly share, subscribe, like the page, comment. It's really important. And if you've not yet subscribed or shared, please start doing so, because I'm giving you authentic stuff from Africa. So let's meet again for Shezemanezo or Kodo. I'm out.
The mess rules. Some this the come my door for and I'm a bushing for our Ghana. May the fat tap sing.
This is your music tap and the best so far.
I didn't see some yes, and this car coffee not a tap.
Tap send will be around down the up now. Cannot master for African countries to pay.
And the reason I changed over to then.
If you're there, you don't have the app on your phone, I encourage you to download it right now. It's very secured. TapTap is very secured.
What I like about TapTap is that transfer is immediate. Right? You get to resolve secured experiences when I've never had any issue.
Tap send enua na abrochefo nyina ya gia to. Tap send papa no.